Ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I would like to welcome you on board our Toastmaster flight number 332. Actually, my name is Bouchaib and I'm your captain in this flight as Toastmaster of the evening. Well, first thing I will inform you, I would like to inform you that the temperature outside is about 42 degrees. It's very high. However, we have very nice weather inside and warm enough that you can take off your public speaking fear, anxiety, and hesitation. Actually, this is the main objective of Toastmaster idea. An idea that was born and began more than 100 years ago as a series of speeches organized by Dr. Ralph C. Smedley, this guy over there.
Here.
Now he's here. Is Ralph Smedley. This is the founder of Toastmasters. This great man saw a need of people in community like you and me to learn how to speak, how to conduct meeting, and how to plan program and work on committee. And he wanted to help them. It was much more like what Toastmaster meeting of today. People or participants took turns in leading and speaking, and Smedley and the other more experienced, they evaluated the speeches, short speeches, and the younger were invited to join in evaluation as well. And the first unofficial meeting for Toastmaster was held on 24th March 1905. None of us was there. And the first official meeting was held on October 22nd, 1924. In 1970, Toastmaster International admitted its first female member, Hélène Blanchard, under the name Homer Blanchard. This is this lady. And in 1985, Hélène became first female international president. Today, there are more than 12,500 Toastmaster clubs with 260,000 members at least, over 113 countries. So there are thousands and thousands of meetings each month. All those meetings are like flights with no crash at all. So you are in one of the safest flights in the world. However, there are some rules contributing to our success and our safety flight. In Toastmaster, we don't ever, never fly religion, sex, or politic area. All the rest of the sky is ours to explore. I would like to add one more thing. You know, when you are in flight, you have to switch off all electronic device, or at least put on
Silent.
airplane mode first, then silent mode.
Yeah, that's good.